Hi everyone, Mr. Warren here, ready to give you a detailed, full overview of the final project for To Kill a Mockingbird, the literary portfolio. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this will clear up any questions that you have about this final project. I'm going to go through the checklist step by step with what you need to do in each section of this project, and I hope that you'll go back and watch this video once, twice, maybe 3 times if you ever get confused about what you need to do for this final project, the biggest project we will do all year in English 10. So let me read through the instructions again. The paper you have that I gave you or on Google Classroom is a handy checklist of all the items that you need in your portfolio and how many points they are worth. Note that there are 3 checkpoints at the beginning of this checklist. So on these 3 dates, I must be able to check and see that you have the parts of the project that are in each checkpoint completed on each checkpoint date. The entire project, whether you do it by hand, meaning you actually physically create a portfolio like this, or you do it online through Microsoft Word or Notability or through some other app on your iPad, the entire thing is due for Team Wellsville, Monday, December 21st, or for Team Lions, Tuesday, December 22nd at 3 p.m. So here are the checkpoints that you need to meet for this project. Checkpoint 1 for Team Wellsville, it's due Monday, December 7th, or for Team Lions, it's due Tuesday, December 8th at class time. And here's what I need to see of your project: a front cover, a table of contents, and a general summary of the book. For the front cover of your portfolio, it's worth 15 points, and it's an artistic representation of the book. It must include the title and the author. So if you put the title of the book on your front cover, you get 5 points. If you put the author of the book on your front cover, you get another 5 points. And if you do some type of artistic representation, whether that's you hand draw something like this person did here, or if you're not artistically inclined, you can go to the internet, print out some pictures, do a big picture like this or a picture collage of your front cover, and you do that artistic representation, you'll get another 5 points for that. Second thing for the first checkpoint due on Monday or Tuesday is a table of contents. This is a bulleted list of all of the items that you need in your portfolio. Here's an example of what a table of contents will look like. And again, it lists all the items that are in your portfolio. That list gets you 5 points. And the page numbers next to your items gets you 5 points as well. The third thing that you need for checkpoint 1 of this project is a general summary of the book. This is a summary that doesn't give away the entire plot. It encourages others to read the book. It's a minimum of 2 to 3 paragraphs. If you type it, make it 12 to 14 point font in Times New Roman, or you can handwrite it. So again, the point breakdown here, 2 to 3 paragraphs for the summary, gets you 5 points. A general summary of the book is given, gets you another 5 points. And the writer encourages the reader, you the writer, the reader reading this, read the book in the summary, gets you another 5 points. And this is a statement like, I encourage you to read this book because, or this is a really exciting book because, or I would encourage others to read To Kill a Mockingbird because. I need a statement like that somewhere in the general summary section of your portfolio. So there's checkpoint 1. Those 3 items again, the front cover, the table of contents, and the general summary of the book are all due for Team Wellsville next Monday the 7th, or for Team Lions, Tuesday, December 8th. From there, we go on to the second checkpoint of this project, and there are 2 different items that you need that are going to be due on Monday, December 14th for Team Wellsville, or Tuesday, December 15th for Team Lions. The first item are character paragraphs. And now for students in Honors and Regents, this is where the project is going to differ a little bit. So if you're in Regents classes, you're going to do 3 4 to 6 sentence paragraphs describing each of the following characters: Scout, Jem, and Atticus. You get 5 points for your 4 to 6 sentence paragraph for each of those characters. Be sure to consider personality traits in addition to physical characteristics and things these characters do in the novel. Write one paragraph for each character, with each paragraph a minimum of 4 to 6 sentences each. Often helps sometimes, like you see in this example, to include a picture of that character with your description of him or her. Now, if you're in one of my honors classes, blocks 2 or 12, you're going to do 6 different characters with a 4 to 6 sentence paragraph describing each of those. You're doing Scout, Jem, Atticus, Dill, Boo Radley, and Tom Robinson. So again, you're writing one 4 to 6 sentence paragraph for each of those 6 characters if you're in an honors class. The second part of checkpoint number 2, what I need to see from you next Monday the 14th or next Tuesday the 15th, is the quotes section of this literary portfolio. Start again with the Regents classes. If you're in one of my Regents classes, you need to pick and find 3 quotes from the novel that are especially important to the advancement of the novel. You'll write the quote out, include the page number of the quote, who said it, and then in 2 to 3 sentences, tell me why that quote is important. I need to see 3 quotes from you, Regents students. Page number it's on, who said it, and why it's important. Honors students, when it comes to your part of this project for the quotes section, you again are doing a double. You're doing 6 quotes instead of 3. So you'll go back in the book, honors students, and find 6 quotes from the book that are especially important to the advancement of the novel. Write the quote out, include the page number, who said it, and in 2 to 3 sentences, tell me why that quote is important. Those 2 items, the character paragraphs and the quotes from the novel with explanations, are both part of checkpoint number 2, and I'm going to be checking to see if you have those done for Team Wellsville on Monday, December 14th, and for Team Lions on Tuesday, December 15th. The third and final checkpoint of this project is due on Monday, December 21st for Team Wellsville, and Tuesday, December 22nd for Team Lions, and it's the whole project itself, the entire project. Regents students, going to talk to you now about this last part of the project. For Regents students, you have a choice as to which final section of this portfolio you want to do. Choice 1 is worth 15 points, and it's a diary entry from the point of view of Scout or Jem telling about the trial. Your journal entry must be written in first person and be 2 to 3 paragraphs long. Point breakdown here is 2 to 3 paragraphs is 5 points. First person writing style is used, that's 5 points. And the entry is written by Jem or Scout and is accurate to the trial is another 5 points. You can choose to do that one, Regents, or you can choose to do a little more challenging final part of your portfolio worth 20 points. And for this one, you'll copy the lyrics to a song that shares a theme from To Kill a Mockingbird. After you write out the lyrics that match the theme, these could be from the chorus or a verse, you'll write a 4 to 6 sentence paragraph explaining why the song you've chosen reflects a theme of the novel and tell which theme it reflects. Please use clean lyrics only. So the point breakdown here for choice 2 of the final part of the portfolio, lyrics that fit a theme are printed and written out, gets you 5 points. The theme of the book is identified, gets you 5 points. And the explanation of how the song you chose reflects the identified theme gets you 10 points. Again, this one is a little more challenging, so that's why it's worth 20 points instead of 15 points. And again, if you're in a Regents class, you only have to do one of those 2 options. Honors students, you have to do both of those options for your literary portfolio. So everybody in block 2 and 12, my 2 honors blocks, everybody in those classes do a diary entry, and everybody in honors classes will also do the lyrics portion, the song lyrics part for your portfolio. So again, in honors, your project is a lot longer than Regents. Final things for both. There's an extra 5 points for artistic and or creative details that make the inside of your project appealing. Colors, designs, clip arts, drawings, sketches, etc. Remember I showed you the different examples, some that were colorful, some that were not. The back page for both Regents and Honors classes, 5 points on the back of your portfolio for a quote by you telling why others should read the book. This is a minimum of 3 sentences, and your quote is present in at least 3 sentences. If you want to do the opposite of this and tell the reader that they shouldn't read To Kill a Mockingbird, you can do that on the back page of your portfolio as well. Your choice, a quote on the back by you telling others why they should or shouldn't read this book. And then the last thing on the back page is your name and block. Lastly, where it says Other on your checklist, there's 25 points available for mechanics, good grammar, good spelling, good punctuation, and another bonus 20 points for creativity in your project. Colors you use, pictures you use, and designs you use. Please see me, please email me, please remind me, please talk to me in class if you have any questions about this final project at all. Again, it's the biggest thing we do all year long in English 10, and I really hope you put a lot of time and effort into it and follow the checkpoints on your checklist. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.